Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is the fragrance that I'm going to be wearing all summer long. This is the Nautica Voyage, and it's just a great, subtle, fresh, and has these marine notes that pretty much everybody likes. It's a nice aquatic fragrance that just smells like fresh out of the shower. And like you may know, fragrances they have time and places and occasions that they are better or that is a better situation for you. And this fragrance is just great for the whole day, but it shines into hot weathers and climates. I have a lot of people that they just like smell nice. It's not too strong. It's not going to be overpowering or it's going to give somebody a headache. This guy here is fresh, clean, has these apple notes, this salty, fresh notes that are just going to be a great option for summer. So this was John with WTI. That was my point of view.